Flowervision Bristol Limited are importers and wholesalers of fresh cut flower, and we deliver to the southwest of England trade. We looked at a voice solution as we felt we needed to improve our accuracy and help our customers get a better end satisfaction with their pick, pack, deliver orders. We currently have 12 employees using voice. We hope in the very near future we can get all 16 picker and packers onto voice.
We initially looked towards going to a scanning away system, but then bypassed that when we recognised that there was a voice system that we could move on to, which would be much more adaptable for us. When we decided to look into voice in more depth, we identified 2 companies, one of which was Beck. We visited both companies and their customers to see how they operated, and also to speak to the customers themselves, which is when we decided upon Beck being the company for us. We currently use the voice picking system for picking only. We have plans to develop this into locating, stock taking, put away and scanning crates out to customers in the near future. We also want to develop it into our sundries picking, which is the one aspect that we don't currently use voice in at the moment.
When we told the employees we were going to go forward with voice, there was a little bit of skepticism, but now they are using it, they are all very happy with it. It's made their job easier to get the better accuracy and not make the mistakes that was very easy to make under the time pressure they were working under.
I worked at Flowervision for 16 years. Before voice we used pen and paper and highlighters. For me, using voice has made my job easier. There's nothing left over that shouldn't be, which means all the orders are complete.
Pid Rossa hips Corallo. Confirm 3 digits.
Length.
Stem length is 90.
Productivity accuracy has been improved greatly. We are now up to 99.8% accuracy after just 8 weeks. Not only has voice improved our accuracy, it's also been a time saver for our staff, allowing us to finish our orders earlier in the night.
Since implementation, we can now monitor pickers, pick rates, and how long it's taking to pick certain orders. We can also tell when a certain route has been picked and load the van upon the completion of that route, whereas before we'd need to wait until all orders have been picked before we were confident to be able to load a van. Other benefits we've noticed from voice is the training of new staff is much quicker. We now have them able to work fully within hours. It used to take a couple of weeks because they would need to gain product knowledge. Our packing has become much better because of voice. We have 2 hands rather than pen and paper, and our stock rotation and accuracy is also better because we're picking specific parcels.
Confirm 3 digits.
Colour.
Colour is cerise.
The benefits the customers will notice is that it allows us to get their deliveries on time with nearly 100% accuracy. It's very important we get our orders accurate, as most of our customers are ordering for special occasions, weddings, birthdays, anniversaries and funerals, and it's not something you can afford to get wrong. I was very sceptical about choosing voice to go forward with it, as it was a large investment for a small company like us. Very quickly, after only 8 weeks, I can see it's been one of the best choices I've ever made.